Hi, my name is Heather. I'm with Parabit Systems in a capacity of business development, and today I'm in our fabrication center on Friday, hashtag Fab Friday, where we own every vertical step of the manufacturing process. So, from product design to prototyping, technology integration to scalable production runs, we do everything in house, which helps us control production time as well as cost. Right now, I'm in our 3D printing lab, which is a technology that we use to evaluate and improve product design as well as reduce costs. We 3D print a lot of smaller components that are part of larger solutions. And these are brackets that we just finished printing, and they support miniature cameras that we integrate into our camera closures that we then deploy to facilitate a high quality facial image capture and line of sight supporting analytics. Another way that we use 3D printing is to create small models of our larger solutions. Printing right now is a model of our seatback charging stations, which is an aviation solution that we deploy to airports and airlines to help them optimize flexibility for their gate hold charging. When that completes, I will be bringing that as well as these small versions of our Power Pole and FIS podium with me to Las Vegas as we prepare to exhibit at the American Association of Airport Executives annual conference. We'll be in booth 624 and would love to connect there. See you in Vegas.